Hey, it's Jessica Herman with Great Georgia Realty. I can't wait for you to see the pictures and the video of this new listing at 802 North Main Street in Sylvania, Georgia. Come check it out. You will be in awe when you open the front door and see the beautiful heart pine floors. After walking through the family room into the open concept kitchen and dining room, you will continue through to the updated master suite. This gorgeous home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms with over 2,000 square feet with an additional 280 square foot basement. You will love the updated kitchens and bathrooms. The home also features a fenced backyard and covered porch area along with a swimming pool. Give me a call for your personal tour.